Grats. And he's like, I'll see you later. You have a good night. What kind of shit is that? That's just weird. Wait. I hope he doesn't. What if he knocks on my door? He's like, hey man, you want to have a date? Maybe he is making a We're trying. He does kind of engage. What should the Pylon website are? Type 1 edition, just have 4. Just 4. Type 3 edition, have 4, so plus 1. What should it have then? Give me some ideas here. I know you guys have the PvP forums. Maybe it shouldn't even have 4. Yeah. I'm not saying it. Maybe in the future pretty much to sum it up, just a nicer name for the stick-in audience, and it's pretty much run exclusively by me, and scheduled weekend shows. It's pretty much like, I don't know, it's kind of my own little thing that I'm just seeing how many people we can get on there. The stick has, I feel sorry for the stick because I used to listen to like Always Pray and that shit like that. I'm pretty sure we can get a shitload of people on the stick. Hold on, I'm gonna post to YouTube. We got our own talent. Pretty much everything that goes down in the Pylon Pranks live show. Let me link it. Somebody link it. I know somebody could link that. Subscribe on that shit, guys. Subscribe on that. There's 45 subscribers. Let me see it.